song. Not that one. Not that one. We're not on that one yet. We're not on that one.
Let's go! Oh! Let's go! This party needs everybody. Make it hot in this party. Don't stop, move your body.
All right, Ecstasy fam, are y'all ready to send this ship out in style? Now, hey, real quick, before we officially kick this party up, for the very last time, he's got something that he wants to say to each and every one of you. So please, everyone, put your hands together for the master of the vessel, the one and only, Captain Michele Coppola!
Good evening all. How was the cruise? That's the most rewarding thing. Thank you very much. You made this cruise a very special cruise. You really made this cruise a very special one. We will remember this cruise for all our life. Every cruise is special, but this one has something more. Thank you to all. And thank you. I would like to continue the party with you until tomorrow morning, but my wake-up call is 1:30 in the morning, so I'm just going to say goodbye to everybody. Thank you all.
Captain, thank you so much for making an appearance. Hey, Michele, come here for a second. Hey, all right, on the count of 3, I need y'all to make some noise. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna tag you in that, don't worry. All right, now listen up everyone. Tonight is not a sad night. No. We are not mourning the loss of the ecstasy. Tonight, we are celebrating her life for the past 31 years. So are y'all ready for a celebration, everybody? All right, only one way to kick off a celebration. Hit it, Katie. All right, hey, y'all ready to have some fun tonight? We're celebrating the lifetime of the Carnival Ecstasy here tonight, but we are also celebrating 50 years of Carnival Cruise Line. So I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it back to the 70s. We're gonna work it into the 80s. Oh, hold on real quick. Y'all give it up for your playlist cast of singers and dancers. Hey, if you missed the first showtime of Motor City, do not miss a second at 9:30. That is the last time these 8 will ever be performing together as a cast. This is the best show that we've got on board, and make sure y'all do not miss out on that. But look, tonight, like I said, we're taking it from the 70s to the 80s to the 90s, because those are the 3 best eras of music of all time. We all know that. And all I want from you, all right? I want you to sing. I want you to dance. I want you to let it all out, because tonight, look, we don't need that atrium tomorrow. I want to blow the roof off of this place. Now, I know you're ready to go, but this next song, look, all I want you to do, just feel it, all right? Just move, just dance, just have some fun. Let's go. Listen, we're just getting y'all warmed up. I think you're almost ready, but I need you all to get loud. I need you to sing along with us tonight as well, because the dance moves ain't blowing the roof off this place. So look, even if you don't, can somebody make the elevator move, please? Thank you. Well, Dr. Seuss is fired, y'all. Now listen, everybody. I just need you to sing along, even if you don't know all the words. I just need the na-na-na-nas. Now, we did this at the sail away party. We're bringing it back right now. Guys, I think they're almost ready. Hey, real quick, everyone, do me a favor. They've been working their butts off all contract long. Can y'all make some noise for your fun squad? We got DJ Katie, Waylon, Molly, Adrian, and of course, Kiara, our music manager, folks. And hey, I wish y'all could be here, but Somebody's probably a comedy, let's be honest. Jacques, are you still here? Jacques, we love you. All right, now look, we're almost as loud as I think we can get, but I think we can get just a little bit louder. So just like we did on the first night, I'm gonna divide this atrium in half, all right? Now look, when y'all hear your line, you need to sing it at the top of your lungs. This side is team That's the Way. This side is team I Like It, and we're all gonna together. This side, let's go. That's the way. All right, all right. That's the way. I like it. That's the way. I like it. That's the way. All right, all right. Hey, Judge Bolton, take me. In your hands. And hey, look, I love each and every one of you, but do me a favor, stop prying signs off the walls. You know who you are. Alright. Now listen, this is it. This is the last one to get as loud as we can. I'm not even going to tell you what to do, because you're going to hear this song, and you're going to know exactly where to go with it. And we are going into the 80s, everyone, and listen up. If y'all know this one, it's time to rock out hard. Let's go, Katie. Now look, in the 80s, they were famous for a lot of things. One of my favorite things about the 80s was cheesy pop music. And there may be no song cheesier, more 80s-er, or more poppier than this one. And I know y'all know the words. And listen, if you want to dance, we're not going to play It's Not Unusual, but this is the perfect song to do the Carlton. All right, wait. Hold on a second. What's your name?
Angie.
Angie. Everyone say, hey, Angie. Hey. Angie, you did a pretty good job with that high note, but I have a feeling you might be able to do better. So, Angie, let me ask you real quick. Do you like whiskey?
Awesome.
Nikki, I'll take 2, please. Dose. Yeah, sure. Now, Angie, Nikki's gonna pour each one of us a shot at tequila because I can't let you drink alone. I'm sorry, a shot of whiskey. Whatever. And look, we're gonna get, you see all these people out here? You see these hundreds and hundreds of people? We're gonna get them to sing the lead-in to that song a cappella. When I tell you to, you're gonna shoot the whiskey and you're gonna hit the high note. Sound good? Alright. Oh, who's the third one for? Oh, okay, she's in on it too. Welcome to the party. Nikki, just put it on mine. It's all good. Alright, Angie, that's for you. Okay. Now everyone, I need y'all to help us out. Are you ready? Here we go. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. All right, here we go. I want to hit that. Give it up for Angie. Oh, that was a mistake standing on a bar this small. All right. Hey, now look. In the 1990s, there was a movie that came out, right? That movie was called The Bodyguard. And that movie had one of the greatest songs of all time as its theme song by none other than Whitney Houston. I'm not playing that song. Because listen, we're still in the 80s, all right? But I got another one by the Queen. And listen, I need y'all to get loud for Whitney right here, right now. If you're on board with someone that you love, make some noise. If y'all came out to dance and have a good time, make some noise. I need y'all to leave it all out on this dance floor right here, right now. Because this one's not just for all of you. Let's do it, y'all. That was amazing. Give yourselves a round of applause, everyone. Oh, I am gonna miss moments like this out here. Now look, hold on, wait, Waylon, come back for just a second. Waylon, come back. I know you gotta go to karaoke, but before you go, hold on, I need to come down here for a second. Now y'all, I just need to say something real quick. I have been lucky to have the best fun squad in the entire fleet with me throughout this entire contract. And one of the truths of ship life is people come and people go and they're constantly cycling out. However, KD and Waylon have been, I love you Molly, KD and Waylon have been here with me since day one. We all got here well before the ship was brought back into service. You've been here since January 25th. You've been here since January 15th, January 11th, without a break, constantly bringing the fun to all y'all. And they personally asked to be here all the way to the end so they could be here for the last cruise. Now, Waylon's got to go to karaoke in a few minutes, but do me a favor, y'all. I love my whole fun squad, but these two, we've been through it all together. Give it up for Katie and Waylon. Molly, I love you too, but you got here like 2 months after everybody else. Give it up for Molly also, everyone! All right, go back to work and get yourself a drink on me. All right, hey y'all, look. Yeah, sure, give him one, why not? All right, now listen, we've done a lot of singing, but right now, it's time to do a little dance. We're bringing it into the 90s. Who loves them some 90s music, y'all? Hey, what you got for them? Alright, hey, listen, we got one more 90s hip-hop track, and I gotta admit something. When I first heard this song, I thought this was by one person. I did not realize this was a whole group. But, for all the young men out there, there's a lesson to be learned in this song, and I'll let you know when it's coming. Look, there's a dance to do to this. If you don't know it, just follow me. First of all, young men and young ladies, young people in general, that is a valuable life lesson, all right? Never trust a big butt and a smile. I've gotten myself into a lot of trouble that way. But folks, I got another song from the 90s for you, and listen, this song was not originally written in the 90s. It was originally recorded in the 70s by a woman named Roberta Flack. However, it was perfected in the 90s by a woman named Lauryn Hill. We're gonna slow it down for just a second. Keep it going now. Another one? What's wrong with you? I got fripples, y'all. My nipples are hard as hell right now. Alright, since y'all are all determined to see me fall off the bar tonight, listen up. Before we go to the next song, if you got a drink, raise it up. Listen up, everyone, real quick. This is my favorite toast in the world. You know what they say. Some ships are wooden, and those ships may sink. But the best ships are friendships, and to those ships we drink. Cheers, y'all. Oh, I hate Fireball. I'm just kidding, I'm fine with it. Now listen. Earlier tonight, I teased a song by Whitney Houston from the movie The Bodyguard. But I'm not gonna lie. Y'all have far exceeded my expectations. You have been absolutely I thought you gave me a broken one. You have been absolutely incredible. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna play that song, but there's only one rule, all right? The timing is difficult. You have to wait for Whitney. Got it? You earned this. I love you. Let's go.
If I should stay,
Wait for Whitney.
leaving.
For Whitney! I pressed pause. That was incredible. Now we're not done yet. We got a couple more songs to do. I want to say something real quick though. I have not said this yet this cruise, and some of you may know this, some of you may not. This ship holds a very special place in my heart because back in 2019, this was the ship where I was promoted to cruise director for the very first time. I took her through the holidays and into the new year, and I had the time of my life. And when I was offered the opportunity to come back, I said yes without a second thought. I was supposed to leave. I was supposed to leave back in May, everyone. And I said, absolutely not. I want to be here for the final voyage. And let me tell you something. I've been on board for 8.5 long months. I have not regretted a single second of it. And the reason is because of people like you. So listen, everyone. This might be our last cruise here on the Ecstasy, but just remember, she's never gone forever. She's always going to be with us. Whether you cruise on the Spirit when she gets here next October, whether you cruise on the Paradise, on the Elation, whatever ship you go to, just remember, all right? This is our old gal, and we're here for a very special moment, everybody. So I want y'all to keep this party, keep this moment, and keep this ship in your hearts forever and ever, because I know that's exactly where I'm going to keep it. Now look, I got a couple songs left. Honestly, you can't do a party about the 70s, 80s, and 90s without this next song. So if you got a light and you haven't put it up yet, it's only right. Hey, we're on FaceTime right now. It's only right. Sailing in and out of Mobile, Alabama. Look, most people would have finished their party with that song, but I'm not most people. It's only right, sailing in and out of Mobile, Alabama, that we can have the night off with a little Rocky Top. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Get it, everyone. This is the busiest this atrium's been since we were allowed to bring atrium parties back. And look, I've said it a few times and I mean it. Thank you all so much, so very much for being here on this last voyage with us. I hope y'all have had the time of your lives, because I've made some memories that I will never, ever forget on this cruise. Have you had a great time, everyone? Well, look, tonight is not over. We've got another showtime at Motor City coming your way. We got comedy and live music all around. So please, look, it's the last night in the history of the Carnival Ecstasy. Don't go to bed early. Don't call it quits. Get out there and enjoy yourselves. Enjoy everything that this team has to offer you. Thank you all once again so much for being such an incredible group. It has been the honor of my lifetime to be your cruise director for this voyage, everyone. I love each and every one of you. But right now, I'm turning the party over to DJ KD. K-Dizzle, one last time. What you got, man?
Inside,
Ooh.
to what we made.